Worried about rising US debt and what it means for your savings? Gold can offer a safeguard. Gold has long been used to protect against dollar devaluation and inflation. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that when the US left the gold standard in 1971, the dollar became a fiat currency, meaning it could be printed without a fixed backing. This untethered money supply has contributed to inflation over time. Owning physical gold provides an asset that can't be created from nothing, unlike the dollar. Historically, it has held its value even as government policies and deficits affected the currency. By understanding this, investors can see how gold acts as a hedge, offering protection against the risk of rising debt and potential inflation. I'll link this guide in the description. And this is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, including titles like Company Integrity Checklist and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to help you make informed retirement decisions. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to learn how gold can protect your savings against deficits, debt, and a weakening dollar. You can find the link in the description.